Subject: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Object: me, you, us, them, him, her, it. Possessive adjective: my, your, our, their, his, her, its. Possessive pronouns: mine, yours, ours, theirs, his, hers, its. How to make sentences for pronouns? For example, if we have subject: I like chemistry teacher. He gave me a pen. This is my marker. This book is mine. Okay guys, so I hope you got it. Whatever the pronouns are there. Okay, subject is there, object is there, adjective is there, and pronoun is there. So if you are having any question or queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay guys, thank you. Allah Hafiz.